mathematical reasoning. Suppose here a problem is given like this. So suppose here it is given as P disjunction Q implication P conjunction Q. We have to find out the truth table of this one. Okay. So first of all, when you are going to solve the problem, first of all you have to see how many statements are there. So here you see in this problem there are only two statements, P and Q. So first of all you write this P and Q. So P and here you write Q, and then you write all the possible values. So when two statements are there, in our last class we have discussed, if one statement is there, 2 to the power 1, you will get two possible values. If two statements are there, the 2 to the power 2, you will get four values. And if three statements are there, you will get 2 to the power 3, that is your 8 different values. So by using that, here you are getting four values. Either both are true, here true, false, or you can say false, true, or you will get false, false. These are the four different values that you are getting here. Now, first in the left side, it is P disjunction Q. You write here P disjunction Q. And you know, in disjunction, what happens when both the statements are false? Only when the disjunction is going to be false. Otherwise, the disjunction is going to be true. So here, true, true. This is what? True. True, false, this is again true. False, true, this is true. But false, false, this is going to be false. Then you come to the right side, and here what is there? P conjunction Q. And you know, conjunction is true only when both the statements are true. Otherwise, the conjunction is going to be false. So here, true, true, this is true. True, false, it is false. False, true, this is false. False, false, this is also false. Then you have to write the total statement. It is what? P disjunction Q implication P conjunction Q. So when you are going to write this, so what is the symbol here in between these two? Implication. And you know, implication is false only when the second statement consequent is false. So here, true, true, this is true. True, false, it is false. True, false, it is false. False, false, it is true. So this is the truth table of this problem. Like this you have to solve the other problems. I am taking some example of other problems. Here you see some other problems. Suppose you are taking another problem here. Suppose here it is given as P disjunction Q, double implication, negation of P, disjunction, negation of Q, suppose. This is the problem like this. So here also you are getting how many statements? Two statements, P and Q are there. So here you write P, then you write Q, and you have to write all the possible values. So you will get four different values, 1, 2, 3, and then this one is 4. So you write the four different values. Here you will find true, 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 false, false, true, or you will get false, false. These are the four different values. Clear? Next is what? In the left side you are getting P disjunction Q. P disjunction Q. You find out. And already we know disjunction is going to be false only when both the statements are false. Otherwise the disjunction is going to be true. So by using that, what you find? True, true, this is true. True, false, it is true. False, true, it is true. False, false, this is false. In the right side you are getting negation of P. So negation of P. Negative of this, true, so it is false. True, it is false. False, it is true. False, it is true. Then negation of Q. So here negation of Q. Here what you find? Negative of this Q. True, then this is false. False, it is true. True, it is false. False, it is true. Then in between this, What is the symbol here? Disjunction. Negation of P, disjunction, negation of Q. This thing you have to find out. So in between these two you have to compare the value. So disjunction, the same thing. If both are going to be false, then only it is going to be false. So here both are false, so it is false. False, true, this is true. True, false, this is true. True, true, this is true. Now, in between this and this, what is the symbol? Double implication. So here you write the complete problem. So what you are getting? P disjunction Q, double implication, negation of P, disjunction, negation of Q. This you have to find out the truth value of this one. So you know double implication is true only when both the statements are in same form. If both the statements are true, then the double implication is going to be true. If both the statements are false, then also it is going to be true. In other condition, it is going to be false. So here, in between, you look at these two conditions, this one and this one. True, false, it is going to be false. True, true, this is true. True, true, this is true. Here, false, true, this is false. So this is the solution of this problem. Like this, we can find out the other problems. Here you see another problem. Suppose here, one problem is given like this. Suppose P disjunction Q, conjunction Q, disjunction R, double implication P disjunction R. This is the problem, suppose. So here you look after this problem, you will find there are three different statements. So first of all, you have to write the three different statements. That is P, and here it is Q, another one is R. So when there are three different statements, you will get 8 different values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Either you are getting all the three are true, you write the 8 possible values, or here it is true, true, false, or true, false, false, or you will get false, 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 or you will find false, false, true, or you will get false, true, true, or you will get true, false, true, or you will find false, true, false. These are the 8 possible values that you are getting here. Clear? After this, what is here you see? P disjunction Q. You find out in between P and Q, you compare the value. When it is disjunction, it means when both are false, then only it is going to be false. So here, true, true, it is true, 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 false, true, false, 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 true, 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 false, true, false, true, true. Then here what you are getting? Q disjunction R. So when you are going to find out Q disjunction R, in between Q and R, true, 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 false, true, false, 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 true, 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 false, true, 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 false. This is true. And in between these two, what is the symbol? Conjunction. So P disjunction Q, conjunction Q disjunction R. Then you compare these two and conjunction symbol is there. When conjunction is there, both the statements should be true, then only it is going to be true. So here, true, true, you are getting true. True, 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 false, 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 true, false, true, 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 and true, true, that is true. And now in the right side you are getting P disjunction R. So you compare the value in between P and R. True, true, that is true. True, false, true. Then true, false, true. False, false, false. false true, true, false true, true, true true, true, and false false, this is false. Then next to your, this is the final statement that you have to write here. So here let it be given as x, and suppose this is given you as y. Then in between x and y, what is the symbol? Double implication. X double implication y. So what you will find? True true, this is true. True true, this is true. False true, false. False false, true. False true, false. True true, true. True true, true. True false, false. In this way you have to solve the problem of mathematical reasoning. So if any problem is there, first of all you have to see what is the total number of statements given in the problem. Then first you write all the possible values and then move accordingly. First you find out what is given in your left side, then you find out what is given in your right side and what is the symbol which is going to combine the statements, and like this you have to solve the problems. So I hope you can solve the problems by looking after all those problems, and if you like this, you like it, share it and subscribe it for more videos in our next classes. Thank you. Wish you all the best.